There is a reason why electric folding bikes are proliferating on city streets, trains, buses, workplaces, and campgrounds. A bike that can be folded like an origami paper crane and stored under your desk or in a small closet is hard to beat for convenience. In addition, they can provide a more efficient and stress-free shopping trip or commute. Increasing numbers of bicycle manufacturers are churning out cutting-edge versions of compact commuter bicycles. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best folding electric bikes currently on the market, as well as what to look for when shopping for a foldable bike that can be easily transported in a vehicle, stored in a small apartment, or taken on a train. Gosen Q7. The Gosen Q7 folding e-bike prioritizes speed and performance with its lightweight design. The powerful rear hub motor can deliver 1000 watt peak power for brief periods or 750 watt constantly when revved, with a top speed of 28 miles per hour. Peak torque is 85 Newton meters. The bike has reliable and easy-to-shift Shimano Ultegra pods and a twist grip throttle and 7-speed Shimano transmission, making riding easy. Using pedal help, you can go fast or leisurely. The Q7 electric bike has 2 batteries, 864 watt-hours in the seat post and 624 watt-hours in the top due, and a total capacity of 1488 watt-hours. With smart battery systems, use both batteries for optimal performance. It can handle even the longest trips with a 100+ miles pedal assist system range and 55+ miles full throttle range. The LCD display shows distance, battery life, speed, and other relevant parameters. The battery-powered bicycle's tail light includes a handlebar switch, with bright tail lights making night riding safer and more enjoyable. The Gosen Q7 electric bike's suspension and hydraulic disc brake provide a smooth ride, with a shock absorber system made of high-quality metals that guarantee durability. Locking and adjusting the front fork supports difficult roads. Anti-slip tread grooves give exceptional control. The 20x4-inch fat tires and multi-layer tires defend against punctures. The load capacity of the Gosen Q7 electric bike is about 330 pounds, making it capable of carrying even the heaviest loads. If you are in the market for a long-range electric bike with a high quality and cost-effective, look no further than the Gosen Q7. It is well worth the cost due to its high-quality materials, cutting-edge functions, and ergonomic layout, with a price of $1,499. Vitilan i7 Pro. The Vitilan i7 Pro electric bike boasts a sleek and futuristic design that is sure to turn heads. Its refined, all-black paint job and simple aesthetic exude elegance, while its sturdy construction ensures a secure and steady ride for the rider. The Vitilan i7 Pro is equipped with a powerful and reliable 750 watts Bafang motor that can boost your ride up to 1,200 watts. This Class 3 motor is capable of producing 80 Newton meters maximum torque and can reach a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for commuting or outdoor adventures. The i7 Pro features an LG-certified 48-volt 16-ampere-hour lithium-ion removable battery that outperforms previous generations. This high-capacity battery lasts longer, retains more energy, and has a range of 30 to 55 miles on a single charge. The US standard 54.6 volts 3.0 ampere charger allows for convenient charging at home, work, or in the garage. The i7 Pro features a pedal assist system and gear shifting system that makes riding a breeze. The 1 to 5 level pedal assist saves time and effort while keeping up with traffic, while the Shimano 8-speed rear derailleur ensures smooth gear changes on a variety of terrains. The i7 Pro features 20x4-inch fat tires that provide excellent traction and stability on any terrain. The tires are also equipped with 1 to 8 level shift gears, which let you effortlessly change ratios on flat roads or steep slopes, reducing pedaling and enhancing speed and ease of riding. The i7 Pro features dual suspension and hydraulic lockout, making it easy to ride on any terrain. The shock-absorbing co-rectangular frame and rear frame give you confidence on tough terrain, while the responsive 180mm mechanical disc brakes ensure reliable braking power. The i7 Pro features an LCD display that shows speed, distance, and battery life. This display is easy to read and provides important information for the rider. The i7 Pro features 48 volts headlights and rear light emitting diode lights that illuminate your path in all weather conditions. These lights make riding in the dark safer and more enjoyable. The i7 Pro has a total load capacity of approximately 330 pounds, making it suitable for carrying groceries, backpacks, or other items. The bike is also foldable, making it easy to store in small apartments or garages. The Vitilan i7 Pro electric bike is competitively priced at $1,599, making it an excellent choice for those in the market for a high-performance electric bike that doesn't compromise on aesthetics or rider comfort. Heybike Tyson. The Heybike Tyson electric folding bike boasts a sleek and lightweight design thanks to its aluminum frame, making it effortless to ride. This e-bike has a powerful 750 watts geared hub motor with a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The Heybike Tyson's 48 volts 15 ampere hour battery provides up to 55 miles of range with pedal assist, and it comes with a 4 ampere fast charger to ensure you never run out of power. The bike is equipped with a pedal assist and gear shifting system that enables you to quickly change gears for a sprint or handle steep ascents with ease. The Heybike Tyson's 20 by 4-inch puncture-resistant tires provide a smooth ride with excellent grip in all weather conditions. Tyson's dual suspension system ensures comfortable rides, whether you are landing from stairs, crossing over rocky roads, or climbing up gravel slopes. And hydraulic disc brake system provide a comfortable and safe riding experience on both smooth and rough surfaces. The Heybike Tyson's big TFT4G LCD screen displays speed, distance traveled, battery life, and other metrics, and it's readable in direct sunlight. With powerful LED lights powered by the bike's battery, the Heybike Tyson ensures excellent visibility in low light conditions. The e-bike can carry a total weight of 400 pounds, making it suitable for most riders and their gear. The Heybike Tyson is priced at $1,699. Offering excellent value for money for urban commuters, fitness enthusiasts, and leisure riders looking for a high-performance, feature-rich electric bike. Lectric XP 3.0. The Lectric XP 3.0 is a well-known and adaptable e-bike that boasts a step-through frame design, making it suitable for riders of varying heights. This e-bike has a powerful 500 watts brushless motor with 55 Newton-meters of torque that ensures quick acceleration and a comfortable ride. It can reach a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for those who enjoy faster cycling. The Lectric XP 3.0 features a 48 volts and 10.4 ampere hour capacity battery that can travel up to 45 to 65 miles on a single charge. The battery can be charged separately or while still connected to the bike, offering convenience to its users. This e-bike has a new and optimized gear shifting system that makes it easier to ride at faster speeds than ever before. It also includes sturdy aluminum pedals with rubber treads, ensuring the rider's safety while pedaling. The Lectric XP 20 by 3-inch wide fat tires offer superior traction and stability, making it an easy ride regardless of the surface. The front suspension fork of this e-bike absorbs shocks and bumps, providing a smooth ride over rough terrain. The hydraulic disc brakes are powerful and quick to respond, ensuring the rider's safety in case of an emergency. The Lectric XP 3.0 features a backlit LCD display that shows metrics such as speed, distance traveled, battery life, and power output. This e-bike includes front and rear lights, making it safe to ride in low-light conditions. The Lectric XP 3.0 has a load capacity of up to 150 pounds. It also includes a rear rack, fenders, and a kickstand for added convenience. At a reasonable price of $999, the Lectric XP 3.0 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality and reliable electric bike. Hitway BK6. The Hitway BK6 electric bike boasts a sleek and ergonomic design with its lightweight and sturdy aluminum alloy frame. It can be easily transported and stored as it is foldable, making it a versatile option for commuters seeking a flexible vehicle. Hitway's 250 watts 36 volts motor provides sufficient torque to easily climb 25-degree inclines. It has a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, making it ideal for thrill seekers. The bike has a 7-speed Shimano transmission and mechanical gears that boost manual acceleration. The removable 11.2 ampere-hour battery of the Hitway BK6 has a range of 35 to 90 kilometers on a single charge, depending on the mode, and the battery can operate the vehicle for 4 to 5 hours. It has a fast charging time, making it a convenient choice for riders on the go. The bike's pedal assist and gear shifting system can be controlled via a handlebar-mounted control panel. There are 3 driving modes available, including fully electric, manual, and power assist, allowing riders to choose their preferred level of assistance. The Hitway BK6 electric bike has 20-inch puncture-proof professional fat tires, making it suitable for various terrains. Whether it be mountain biking or urban cycling, riders can enjoy a smooth ride on this bike. Bumpy rides are made smoother with the bike's suspension fork and sturdy front and rear hydraulic disc brakes. This ensures a safe and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. The LCD display shows various information, including battery life, distance, speed, and error codes. This, along with the bright lights and reflectors, provide added safety for riders. The bike comes with fenders, lights, and a rear rack, making it a practical option for commuting and running errands. It has a load capacity of 264 pounds. The Hitway BK6 electric bike is priced at $799, making it a cost-effective and reliable option for commuters and professionals alike. Overall, the Hitway BK6 electric bike offers a powerful motor, ergonomic design, and a range of handy features, making it a flexible and reliable option for riders seeking a practical and versatile mode of transportation. You will find the link to all products in the description down below. Do feel free to visit. To get around town or for fun, electric bikes have become increasingly common in recent years. In addition to being more convenient and cost-effective than many other modes of public transit, electric bikes are also widely available and may be ridden on designated bike routes and lanes in many urban locations. The electric motor gives riders a helping hand while they cycle, making it easier to cover long distances and climb steep hills without tiring out. If you enjoyed this video and would want to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.